So hello everyone guys. Today we will be discussing about Facebook. So what is Facebook? If you are using an Android mobile, so you will get a Facebook app also. Okay, so n- not only an Android mobile, but there is an app for Facebook in desktop also. But I have just opened the Facebook website. Okay, so you can also open this by www.facebook.com. So now what is Facebook? Uh, um, so uh, as you have all have known about Facebook, let me show you something about Facebook. If I can show you, let me see. So Facebook, if you search on this on Google, you will get a login. You will get their website. You can see the owner of this app is Meta Technology Company. So the CEO is Mark. And what else I can show you? So we are not going deep inside here that what is the history of Facebook, how it has become, how it is developed. So we just start by knowing the uses of Facebook, how to use Facebook, everything like that. Okay, so how to use Facebook will be the part I will tell you about, and I will also share my experience. Okay, so what was my experience with Facebook? So, and did I like Facebook or not, and what are the benefits you can get from Facebook as well? What more I can say? If I can say more than what should I say? Yeah, so Facebook is a platform you can communicate with people. Okay, so not only communication, Facebook helps us many things like entertainment. Also many freelancers work there. Interact with people and get orders from them. Okay, so it is a platform where you can also earn. Okay, so you can get clients for your freelancing. And what else about Facebook? Let's roll into the part of account making, and we'll see what I can show you in Facebook. Okay, so I'm just making an account here. So I'll just add a name here. So to make an account, what should be the name of my account? um, and let me think about it. So I think the name, Albert. Okay, Albert. What will be the surname? uh, Ronaldo. Okay, Ronaldo. Okay, the surname part is done. I have to add a mobile number or a email address. So I have an email address, so I'm adding that email address, but you can also add mobile number. I found that mobile address, adding a mobile number is way more convincing.